Hi everyone, this video will go over the instructions for the Intro to Environmental Science and Ecology Garden activity. We've had some really nice fall weather lately, so hopefully you'll be able to get outside and take a look at your own environment in order to gain some understanding about some of the concepts that we've been talking about in science so far. So, in order to make this activity the best use of your time as possible, make sure that you are following along with your instructor as they go over the Introduction to Environmental Science and Ecology slides. And when going over these slides, you'll be able to fill in some information, take notes on this sheet that will help you when you then go out into your own community to make observations. So, for example, you'll have a better understanding of biotic versus abiotic once you've watched the lecture with your instructor, or if you were absent, I've posted a lecture as well. You'll use complete sentences to list plant organisms and animal organisms within your yard or neighborhood. Describe what a habitat is. Describe the habitat of 3 organisms found in your yard. So this, what is a habitat, is an answer to a question that you'll be able to gain from the slides. Then you'll be able to go look outside and name 3 organisms that use your yard as a habitat. So at Pierce, this activity was originally designed by a Pierce teacher, and at Pierce they do have an outdoor classroom where there is a groundhog that lives under the shed. The shed is near a water source. A groundhog's habitat includes both biotic and abiotic factors. What are some biotic factors that could directly relate to the groundhog, and what are some abiotic factors? So again, once you have a better understanding of biotic and abiotic factors, you'll be able to complete this example. What is a population? So you're first going to answer what a population is, then you're going to describe one in your neighborhood. So you'll list what a population is based off of the notes from your instructor, and then answer the rest of the question later on your own. Same for number 7 and number 8. Number 9, what is the difference between a population and community? This will be given in the notes as well. And what is the difference between a habitat and ecosystem? Look at the notes with your instructor and you'll be able to answer number 10. Change in the environment effects of an ecosystem. So Pierce built a greenhouse in the garden. Explain at least 3 effects that the building of a greenhouse had on the garden ecosystem. So now looking a little bit at environmental influence. It's a little bit more of a challenge question, so let your instructor know if you have any other questions when completing the garden activity. Hope this helps.